Hey everybody, let's make it real. And if you're from the great state of Illinois, this is right up your alley. Because what we're going to do is just briefly look at the online voter registration application website for the state of Illinois. There is no excuse why you should not be registered to vote at this time. Everything can be done online. As it says here, the registration period for the online voter registration system closes in October. And all you have to do in your search engine is just type in Illinois Online Voter Application. This website comes up. You can also go to ova.elections.il.gov. And on our class website, I'll have this address posted as well. But all you have to do is just follow the directions and you'll be registered to vote. So we can get started just briefly and click on Start the Online Voter Registration Application. Yeah, I got a driver's license. Yeah, I'm a citizen of the United States. And yeah, will you be 17 on or before the day, blah, blah, blah. And you click Next, or you keep going on and on. And it has all of the other forms of information that they need from you. And when you're done, you just send it and you will be registered to vote. So it's pretty simple to do.